Are the Acer Chromebook R11 good? Acer's Chromebook R11 offers the versatility and affordability of a Chromebook as well as the style and design of a more premium laptop. Acer Chromebook 11 South African rand is now compatible with Android apps via the Google Play Store, as are most Chromebooks. As a comparison to other Chromebooks, we would place it at the same level as the $249, £170, $320 Dell Chromebook 11 and the $249, £160, $337 Asus Chromebook Flip. This is one of the major advantages of the Chromebook R11. The Chromebook R11 only weighs 2.76 pounds, 1.25 kilograms, and measures 11.57 by 8.03 by 0.76 inches, 29 by 20.3 by 1.9 centimeters, WXDXH. Acer Chromebook R11 features a thin, white plastic chassis with a matte finish. The R11 is entirely covered with this texture, giving the laptop a grippy feel when being carried. Chromebook R11 features a metal lid adorned with both Acer and Chrome logos as well as a touch-enabled 11.6-inch display with 1366 by 768 resolution. Acer's logo is found just below the display. There is a full-size HDMI port with HDCP support, a headphone jack, and an SD card slot for transferring files and photos on the Acer Chromebook R11. Intel Celeron N2150 processor, along with 2 or 4 GB of RAM. On the inside, there is also 32 GB of storage, a relatively small amount considering you are unlikely to store a great deal of data on the machine itself. The Intel Celeron N3150 processor is paired with 4 GB of RAM, which provides remarkably smooth performance even when typing in a Google Doc while YouTube videos silently stream and Google Play Music pumps out tunes. There were a few minor hiccups with performance with the R11. Sometimes, Google Docs struggled to keep up with my typing. In the Octane test, which evaluates the performance of the JavaScript engine, the Acer Chromebook R11 ranked higher at 8,113 than the Asus Chromebook Flip at 6,795, higher is better. In the final SunSpider test, Asus Chromebook Flip does manage to narrowly win with a score of 686 compared to Acer's 704, lower is better. It would have been nice to see a higher resolution display than the R11's 1366 by 768 panel. Thanks to the in-plane switching, IPS, technology, brightness was not an issue at all, nor was viewing angle. The Chromebook R11 speaker output is one of its top features. Simply put, its audio is crisp and clear, and it is quite loud as well. When the volume is maxed out, we did not notice much, if any, breakup, and this speaker is certainly able to fill a small room with sound. As the Chromebook R11 can be used as a tablet, a laptop, or a tent, it is likely that you will be putting its touch panel to use at some point. In tent mode, the R11 can be used as a small, portable display, and I even watched some Netflix as I prepared dinner while using it. The R11 is obviously thicker and heavier than your typical tablet, and it is strange to feel your hand pressing into the keyboard and trackpad, or screen, when the display is flipped back. Because we are used to using a MacBook Pro on a daily basis, we initially did not like the keyboard action on the Chromebook R11. Acer touts the Chromebook R11 as featuring a click anywhere trackpad, however, because of the differences in pressure required for each click, most users will default to the bottom corner. According to Acer, the battery life of the 11 South African rand is approximately 10 hours, and I found this to be generally true. This is great for those seeking a device that can last all day, particularly for students and educators using Chromebooks. The Chromebook R11 performs well under normal web browsing conditions, watching some videos, and performing some writing with the screen brightness at 50 to 60%. All in all, the Acer Chromebook R11 represents a compelling laptop if you wish to enter the world of all things Chrome. The laptop's battery life is also among the best, with performance for most basic tasks that is above average, and a bright screen that works well enough for the occasional video stream, and the 11 South African rand is a pleasure to use, despite the occasional hiccup. It was difficult for us to recall how many times we either misclicked something or pressed the trackpad without registering any clicks. The trackpad was not as intuitive to use as the keyboard. Its price is certainly attractive, and it is a great machine for getting some work done, listening to music, or occasionally using it as a tablet replacement. The Acer Chromebook 11 South African rand is a solid buy if you want a laptop that can endure a full day without tiring, perform adequately under pressure and provide an enjoyable online browsing experience.